Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cut in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and I promise you that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. It's easy and simple, you'll learn fast, and don't worry about it, it's not complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. First, there's actually a lot of ways how to cut in Adobe Premiere Pro, but the most important is easy. So the first one is, wait, let me make it that not so loud. So the first one is by clicking this razor tool here, and when you click it, actually it appears this razor tool, and when you click anywhere on the video you're actually cutting it, but there's no difference when you cut the video. Yeah, as you can see, the player is moving through the cut, but there's no a big difference. So yeah, that's the first way how you can cut. If you wanna make the normal video without cuts, just press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard, and yeah. But let's say we want to add another video, I mean audio. Let's add an audio or some music. Let's say this one. Wait, let's say this one. So how to cut in the same time this one and this one in one straight line. Just I forgot to tell you, you can also cut without by clicking this tool here. You can press C on your keyboard, C. Let me show you, C, and now you're picking the razor tool. So how to cut this video and this audio in the same time in a straight line? Yeah, this is the first way, how by clicking them twice, 1, 2. But also there's another way. Just hold Shift on your keyboard, and as you can see, it appears this white line, and when you click everywhere on the video, it's cutting the whole videos or audios in the panel here in this one straight line, and you can make it go. And when you lose the shift, now is the normal cut again. So yeah, that was the video about how to cut in Adobe Premiere. You can cut it, you can delete it if you want it, you can make it like that, and yeah. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave your comments, to leave your to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. So see you next video. Bye.